just that stop it and start.
Right. And then you can zoom in, zoom out. Okay. We're gonna hit 2 minutes at a time. When I runs up to 10 minutes, you hit it, and then put it right back on. And as long as that red orange is recorded and elevated like that. So you just hit this button back and forth, just like that. I'll bring it back to you when I get it started.
I got you.
Now somebody out there going through some real issues right now.
Thank you.